Welcome back to the channel. We're going to be installing the freaking hydro e-brake and the brake lines. We got it at DriftHQ. It's an inline setup. So yeah, first things first is we gotta uncrismanize. Is that a good word? Crismanize? Is that a new word? The NA, so we can open the doors and go from there. So enjoy this time lapse of us unholidaying the NA Miata. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. And just like that, no more Christmassy. Didn't scratch the paint. I mean, left a little residue in some spots, but it immediately just comes right off. So yeah, no more Christmassy stuff. Time to do some hydro stuff. So here's what we got. I got this plate on eBay, 30 bucks, and here's the DriftHQ with the Willwood, what is it, master cylinder or something. But yeah, so Brad took it to his house, welded it all up. You could still take it off with the bolts right in there. And yeah, we're gonna bolt this up. And I got destroy or die brake lines or whatever. So now if you hit the foot pedal, it'll only do the front brakes like normal, and it won't do the back brakes. This will control the back brakes, so when I'm skirting around a turn or whatever, I can just pull this and start skirting. So that's going to be a whole new learning curve. We got the center console out. He's taking the bolts out around the shifter now, and we're going to mount this thing there. Pretty self-explanatory. 4 bolts, the center, blah blah blah. So yeah, we're gonna mount this up and then pop the hood and see about running these lines. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see how far we get. But yeah, come along, bro. Got anything to say, Butley? How's it going?
It's going good. Does this I wonder if it goes on the bottom.
Yeah, probably does. I don't know. So
Don't go like that.
at least with the rubber under it, it won't rattle, I guess.
You might not be able to run the rubber.
Bolt's not long enough. Well, fudge it. We're gonna have to run it without it. Look at that freaking, dude, the thing's filthy. Probably change the shifter out anyways eventually.
It's better without the denoise.
Take this off. Alright, got that all in, bolted down. Gonna screw on my freaking Deadly Bob shift knob. Just looks bigger without the boot and center console, I guess. So, alright, well, we got that in now, and now we gotta figure out about running these lines. I gotta run one up.
Through up here, I would imagine.
It'd be cleaner to run it down through there, but we can, I don't know.
Where is it? Where's the lines at?
I think this goes to the front.
I don't think that would go to the rear.
You would think, but it doesn't.
I don't know. I've never done it.
So
You've watched videos apparently, Papa.
Yeah, we're gonna refresh my memory, probably watch a couple videos and double check everything, and then start running these lines. But yeah, I'll pick you guys back up then. All right, we started playing with it, got that all kind of halfway mocked up. Pull your seat back, and then there's a little hole back here that you're gonna run your rear line through, but I'm trying to make it clean, so I'm going through the carpet. Well, Brad is, but
I don't know what I'm hitting back there. Maybe the fuel tank's back there.
yeah, the fuel tank's back there. But anyways, yeah, you'll get the idea. You gotta run the line through up in here. And I don't know if I can see.
You need to jack the car up. Just get under it.
So
Put a block truck up front.
what we're gonna do is maybe run this rear stuff, or halfway run it, and then I guess I'm gonna have to either find or order or make a front feed line. And it kind of pisses me off, honestly. Like, you buy a kit, I literally emailed them, was like, yo, I'm new to all this shit. You guys are professionals. I just want a setup, bro. Like, and now I'm missing a feed line. So I'm talking about the feed line that goes from the stock front master cylinder to this. Yeah, so we're gonna jack this thing up and go from there and get the rears done and see if I can find a soft feed line from AutoZone, or if I might have to order one. But oh, nice balls, bro. We're going to AutoZone to get some brake lines, because yeah, they decided I don't need them. So I guess they wanted me to use some Bluetooth brake line or something. I'm not really sure, but we're gonna see if we can find some 3/16 to what, 7/16 or so 3/16 factory line to. We're gonna have to flare some shit. Good thing, you know, I'm a pipe fitter. So, and yeah, we're gonna end up making a line. So stay tuned. All right, freaking $60 later, back from AutoZone. Got a majority of the stuff. We got to go back and get one more fitting. The fitting we got's the wrong size, but a couple fittings, some line, some fluid. About to flare this thing up and make our own line, you know. It'd be nice if they sold all the freaking lines in one kit. I mean, what? I don't know, bro. But we're going to, yeah, we're gonna stay positive and go ahead and tap in and run us a line from here to there.
Yeah, you're coming through.
Got a fuck smoke on?
Wish I had like Uber delivery for auto parts stores.
Dude, I was thinking that. Didn't I tell you about that like a year ago?
They have
DoorDash fucking AutoZone.
if you have like a personal, like a business account.
Well, I have a business. Sorry, I gotta use them a lot. Hold on. The wrench. Are you serious?
I loosened it with it.
Fuck, we need a fucking tool sponsor, buddy. I'll tell you what. Look at that bend on that thing, bro.
Oh, I saw it. It looks good.
Shoo!
Looks good.
B-roll? Yeah, I mean, it's kind of kinked here. Actually, no, it ain't. Just the way it looks. Fuck, bro. That shit tight, boy. Whoa! You wouldn't even know it's got a freaking hydro in it, bro. Some factory looking at shit, bro. Now we gotta get the correct fitting to go to there and shit. Cut my center console so it looks cool. And guys, I just tucked this line up in here. It actually fucking looks nasty. It looks clean, so we'll tuck this up in here, back into here. I'm gonna start selling these lines, Bully. I mean, that's clean. That's factory.
You know all you gotta do is tighten the nuts back here.
And then this will actually kind of 45 straight into it. Instead of fucking looping this and that. Honestly, I'll freaking get rid of all that bullshit. I'll freaking hardline and make it look better. Like, that looks like shit. They all look like shit. Can we turn that line down? That way... Okay, yeah, we'll turn that line down and then run that one over it. Yeah, turn that line down and that one will go over it.
Right into there.
And it'll look fucking clean, dude.
Oh, look at all this extra.
Yeah, no, we'll have to tuck it back behind the carpet. So... You want to call them first, or do you just want to go up there? Or... Call them. If they don't have it, we'll go to O'Reilly. So, yeah, I'll pick you back up whenever we get that correct fitting. They make these. Is it these right here?
Yeah, but it's the wrong pitch.
They make these in 20s and 24s, and apparently mine's a 24 pitch. Or 20 pitch. Mine's a 20 pitch, so I bought a 24. So, yeah. Alright guys, it's like a week later since the last clip. We drove to like 38 parts stores to find a fitting that parts stores don't carry because it's actually for a trailer. So ended up getting this, and this just goes, it's got a hole on this side for the brake line, and then this will attach to the handbrake itself. It'll fit right here. So yeah, this line right here comes up and it'll tie into this. So this will be now the feed line, and then you pull the ditty bopper right here, boop, boop, and then it sends fluid back to the rear calipers. So I'm gonna put that in. I'm by myself right now, so probably just install that and maybe throw the center console back on. I don't know, I gotta see about cutting that and making it look sick, but yeah, we'll install this line and then wait for some help. Probably have Brad come over and my brother Brad come over, and we'll bleed the brakes, check everything over, make sure we're straight, and then probably go rip this thing and test it out. We'll see. I'm hoping I'm doing all this correctly. I'm brand new to all this drifting stuff, so there's not really a good like install video on YouTube either. So hopefully if you guys are wanting to install a hydro, you get some like real info out of this video. If not, just drop a comment. If you have a question, I'll try and answer it the best I can, because like I said, I was trying to find a good video and there wasn't like a complete video of like someone going like step by step on like what you need and this and that, at least that I could find. I could be wrong, but yeah, so watch me install this. This, and then loop that bit back around to that, which is gonna be the fun part.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout, and fame, love, disease, a plague, we all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name, all our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be, living in a time where disease is on every.
So yeah, that's what we're working with today.
I know most are festering, negativity is a plague for the mentally weak.
Which honestly, I don't know. I don't really mind doing this stuff.
Never quite so thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic. You can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Oh. To last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes.
What's up, boys?
Fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic. Got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are talking.
E-brake still works. Brad, this actually turned out better like than the other guys. They got like their shit fucking looping up and shit and over and... Alright, I got all these lines ran and the hydro in. Here's what it came out looking like. Got that line ran up on the front of the dash. Here's my feed line going in, and then pull this, and then this will go out to the calipers. So yeah, now I got to put my center console on and see about cutting it, stuff like that. Yeah, stay tuned.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want.
Perfect.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do.
Oh yeah, it works.
Fuck, that works now. You just gotta be going fast.
I need windshield wipers and tool drive.
It's four-wheel drive.
Full drive?
Yeah.
That's all Cleet and Squirrel's fucking motor. Magnum!
Oh, you just
Oh,
called. You've lost the privilege of brakes.
Don't do it! Oh, motherfucker!
It's got fucking line lock now, bro.
Cut myself off from the rest of the room.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad,
Yeah.
baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of